ready to build a secret base entrance that's practically invisible. Let's dive into creating a super compact 2x1 flush piston door that works in both Minecraft, Bedrock, and Java. First, mark out a 3x3 area on the ground where you want your door to be, then dig down 2 blocks deep in the 2 front blocks, creating a small recess. Place redstone dust in the 2 dugout holes, and extend that redstone dust 1 block back on either side toward the back wall. Now, place 2 redstone torches on the back wall, directly above the redstone dust we just placed. Place blocks directly on top of each of the redstone torches. Top those blocks with redstone dust. Place 2 sticky pistons facing forward, on either side, at ground level, inside the 3x3 area. These will be your door. Put your door blocks in front of the sticky pistons. These should match the surrounding wall to keep the door hidden. Place 2 blocks directly in front of the redstone dust on top of the back blocks. This will be where your levers will go. Place a lever on each of the blocks we just placed. Flick both levers down to close the door, and flick them up to open. And there you have it, a compact and totally hidden 2x1 flush piston door. Hide your base, impress your friends, and keep your diamonds safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more redstone tutorials.